Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Marianne. Today we are going to be making chicken shawarma by viewer request. If you've never had chicken shawarma before, it is a very delightful marinated chicken meat inside a flatbread. It's a Middle Eastern dish. Along with that, we'll be making a yogurt sauce. It sounds complicated, it's really not. This is how we do it. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 tablespoon of ground cardamom, about a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt. We're gonna throw in some coarse black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna give that a quick stir. I know some people will just throw your meat in a bag and then put the seasonings in that and mix it around, but I think that it doesn't mix evenly enough, so we're gonna do it here first. Makes a nice thick paste, and it smells delicious. I've got 2 pounds of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. I'm gonna put our seasonings in there. All right, and then we're just gonna mix it around to coat it evenly. All right, that looks pretty good. The chicken juices will start to release after a while anyway. We'll just kind of toss it every once in a while, every few hours. I'm gonna stick this in the fridge. If you're in a rush, you can do it for about 3 or 4 hours. I would recommend a minimum of 5. It's best if you do it overnight. These will absorb all that wonderful flavor. So I'm gonna do it overnight and we'll catch you at the grill tomorrow. All right, our chicken has been marinating for several hours. I'm going to make our sauce now. I want those flavors to marinate a little bit before we serve it. And it's super simple. This is how we do it. For this yogurt sauce, all we need is 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 clove of crushed garlic, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and just a splash of lemon juice. That's good. We're going to mix that up. If you like yours extra garlicky, by all means add more garlic, add more salt and pepper if you'd like. Okay, we're gonna cover that over and let it sit in the fridge until we're ready to grill. Our chicken has been marinating for several hours. It smells amazing. I'm getting the grill fired up here, and we will make us a chicken shawarma. All right, we are up to temperature. Let's put this on the grill. All right, looks like they are done. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to cover them over with some foil and let them rest for just a few minutes while I get all of the toppings ready. All right, our chicken has been resting while we made our flatbread. The link for that recipe will be on your screen. And now we get to load this up. I'm gonna slice some of that beautiful chicken thigh. So to assemble, we're going to take a little bit of, we're going to take a flatbread, a little bit of that awesome yogurt sauce that's been marinating. I'm gonna smear that on here. I like a lot. Very delicious. Ooh, smell that garlic. Got some chicken. I'm gonna grab some tomato slices, some red onion, and some lettuce. Now, you can add or subtract things. Ooh, look how beautiful it is. Look at those colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Mmm. Wow. That is amazing. You guys gotta try this. It is not hard to make at all, but it's packed with flavor. I taste the garlic in there, the smokiness from the meat, and the cumin. We've got that beautiful garlic and the creaminess of the yogurt, topped with all the fresh vegetables. Make it in steps if you have to. Buy the flatbread if you want to. Again, that recipe is going to be linked right here. I'm going to go eat. There's just no words. See ya.